Hey guys, warm welcome to this course. In this video actually, we're gonna install Visual Studio Code. You can easily go to Google and search for it and easily download and install that. After that, we're gonna open it and we will be involved a page like this, but not exactly like this. And you must to make a directory for our work. I try to use open folder and specify a folder. I did it before, but you can easily do that. Open folder and specify a directory for your project that you would like to work. And after that, you must go to your command line and your CLI, actually your bash script place, and make an environment. And for that you can use pi-m vn.vn. It means that we make an environment and call the directory .vn. Actually, you can also specify the pi-env local version to which you would like to actually select. For first step, you can easily do that, and no matter which version after 11 and 3.11 point, which one that you would like to use and which is installed in your system. You must install also Python that is naturally so like that. After that you must to make an environment folder with this command, and after that you have to active the environment with this command or another one like this. Both of them are available. I'm working on Windows and I use git bash, then I use it, and after it you have to install the requirements. And what are the requirements? Actually, requirements is here. You can see I placed all the libraries that we would like to work in this chapter and in this course. Here I will give you all this code so you can do it at home easily and no problem. After that I gonna go to the Visual Studio, open a file or make a new file, and going further with prompt engineering. I actually wrote the prompt engineering steps before, and we can go further and read all these things that we need to learn about prompt engineering in the next chapter. I hope that you find this course helpful, and as I said to you before, this is the requirements video, and I hope that you know some of them. If you had problem, you can write it me in the course description, and I try to answer it fast as I can. And I hope you find this video helpful for actually providing a place to coding, and we go further and implement a prompt engineering course and actually project step by step after all.